If you've ever woken up with your heart racing after a wild dream, wondering what it all means, you're not alone. Dreams have fascinated humans for thousands of years. They're like windows into our inner world, revealing hidden fears, desires, and untapped potential. In this video, we'll explore why we dream and what your dreams are trying to tell you, from both ancient wisdom and modern science perspectives. You'll learn how to decode dream symbols and how to use dream insights as a powerful tool for self-discovery, creativity, and problem-solving. You'll want to stick around for the last tool, because it's a powerful one you might not have heard of before. Why we dream and what your dreams are trying to tell you. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have viewed dreams as messages from the divine, insights into the soul, or glimpses of the future. The ancient Egyptians believed dreams were communications from gods and spirits, even employing professional interpreters to decode their meaning. Similarly, the ancient Greeks, including philosophers like Aristotle, saw dreams as divine messages that offered insights into future events or a person's character. In ancient Eastern traditions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, and Shinto, dreams are seen as important spiritual messages, providing divine guidance and wisdom from higher powers. Even the Bible refers to dreams as a way God communicated with people. But how do these ancient beliefs align with what we understand about dreams today? In the mid-19th century, psychologists Sigmund Freud and Carl Jung transformed our understanding of dreams, shifting the focus from traditional beliefs to a more scientific approach. Freud was the first to suggest that dreams reveal our hidden desires and emotions, laying the foundation for using dream interpretation to understand the unconscious mind. Jung expanded on Freud's ideas by suggesting that dreams contain symbols and themes shared by all of humanity, reflecting a deeper, universal layer of the mind called the collective unconscious. Science has come a long way since Freud and Jung. Today, we see dreams as essential for emotional regulation and memory consolidation. It's like our brain is a night shift librarian, sorting through the day's experiences and preparing us for what's to come. To understand dreams, it's essential to know about the stages of sleep. You start with light sleep, then move into deeper sleep, and finally reach REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement sleep. This is where your most vivid dreams occur. During REM sleep, your brain is very active, weaving together elements from your day with random or strange elements. But why do we dream? One theory, the activation synthesis hypothesis, suggests our brain is trying to make sense of random neural activity by crafting stories. Another, the threat simulation theory, proposes that dreams help us rehearse for real-life challenges. According to this view, our dreams are like a virtual reality training ground, allowing us to rehearse potentially threatening scenarios in a safe environment. Interestingly, about 80% of our dreams are negative, reflecting anxieties or unresolved issues from waking life. It's like dreams are a mirror, showing us our fears so we can face them safely. But dreams also have a positive side, helping us process emotions and solidify memories, making them vital for our mental well-being. During REM sleep, the emotional centers of our brain, like the amygdala and hippocampus, are particularly active. This suggests that our dreams are helping us sort through our feelings and experiences, filing away important memories and discarding unnecessary ones. From a spiritual perspective, dreams are a way for our higher self, ancestors, spirit guides, God or the universe to communicate with us. They're not just random images, but a connection between our conscious mind and more profound spiritual wisdom. Dreams can offer intuitive messages, guiding us towards self-discovery and spiritual growth, helping us understand ourselves better and navigate our lives more clearly. How to decode dream symbols. Have you ever dreamed of your teeth falling out or experienced the thrill of flying? These common dreams often have deeper meanings. Falling teeth might reflect anxiety or fear of losing control, while flying could symbolize freedom or a desire to escape something in your life. But remember, while some dream symbols are universal, many are deeply personal. Your unconscious mind is like a master storyteller, weaving together symbols and scenarios based on your unique experiences and emotions. For example, a red balloon might symbolize joy for most, but if you had a bad experience with one, it could represent fear or anxiety in your dreams. This is why understanding your own dream symbols is so important. Carl Jung, the psychologist we mentioned earlier, believed dreams reveal deeper truths about ourselves and help balance our psyche. He emphasized that the dreamer is the best interpreter of their dreams because they know the full context of their life. One of Jung's fundamental rules was to treat dreams as real experiences, not just random thoughts. So, how can you start decoding your own dream symbols? One of the best tools is a dream journal. By keeping a record of your dreams, you can spot patterns and recurring themes. Here's a practical tip. Keep a notebook and pen by your bed and write down everything you remember about your dream as soon as you wake up, even if it seems fragmented or strange. Recording your dreams right away is key because dream memories fade quickly. In your dream journal, don't just describe the events. Also write down how you felt during the dream and when you woke up. Were you scared, excited, confused? These emotions can offer important clues to the dream's meaning. After writing your dream down in a dream journal, the first step is to identify the key symbols in your dream. These could be objects, people, places, or events that stand out. Other common symbols to pay attention to include colors, numbers, and animals. Next, research their universal meanings using dream dictionaries or websites. You can find links to some of our recommended dream dictionaries and dream interpretation guides in the description below. These resources offer a great starting point for understanding the common meanings of your dream symbols. But also listen to your intuition to understand what these symbols uniquely mean to you based on your own experiences and feelings. Finally, take a step back and connect the dots by looking at the overall picture. Consider how the symbols relate to each other, your emotions during the dream, and any connections to your waking life. Let your intuition lead you as you uncover the deeper meaning of your dream. With time, you'll start to notice patterns in your dreams. Maybe you often dream about being unprepared for an exam, even years after school. This could reflect feelings of being unprepared or judged in your current life. Or perhaps you frequently dream about your childhood home, which might symbolize a desire for simplicity or unresolved issues from your past. But before we dive into how you can use these dream insights as a powerful tool in your everyday life, we'd love to hear about your dream experiences. What's the most interesting or impactful dream you've had? Share your story in the comments below. If you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button to join our tribe. Now, let's get back to the video. How to use dream insights for self-discovery, creativity, and problem-solving. Have you ever woken up with a brilliant idea or a solution to a problem that had been bothering you? Throughout history, many great thinkers and innovators have credited their dreams for sparking creativity and problem-solving breakthroughs. Take Dmitri Mendeleev, the chemist who discovered the periodic table. After struggling to organize the chemical elements, he dreamed of a table where everything fit perfectly. He woke up, wrote it down, and the periodic table we know today was born. Similarly, surrealist artist Salvador Dali used dream imagery in his paintings. He would wake himself just as he was falling asleep to capture the vivid, bizarre images from that state, a technique called hypnagogic imagery. Many artists and writers use this method to tap into their subconscious creativity. But dreams aren't just for scientists and artists. They can be powerful tools for self-discovery and problem-solving in our everyday lives. Have you ever dreamed of confronting a fear or resolving a conflict? Your mind might be working through challenges and emotions from your waking life. Taking this a step further, lucid dreaming, where you're aware you're dreaming and can control the dream, allows you to actively engage with your subconscious mind, shaping your dream experiences. Here's how to try it. Before bed, tell yourself you'll realize when you're dreaming. Be mindful. Pay attention to your thoughts and surroundings during the day to help you recognize when you're dreaming. Try the wake back to bed method. Wake up after about 5 to 6 hours of sleep, stay awake for a little while, then go back to sleep. This can increase the chances of having a lucid dream. Dreams also play a crucial role in mental health, serving as a form of emotional processing. Dr. Robert Decode, a sleep researcher, suggests that dreaming is like overnight therapy, helping us process unresolved thoughts and emotions. So, how can you harness the power of your dreams to unlock personal insights, creativity, and problem-solving? One powerful method is dream incubation, which involves setting an intention before going to sleep to guide your dream content. It's like planting a seed in your mind before bed and letting your subconscious work on it while you sleep. To try dream incubation, start by choosing a problem or question you want to explore. As you fall asleep, focus on this issue and ask your dreaming mind for insights or solutions. Keep a dream journal by your bed to jot down any relevant dreams when you wake up, using the techniques you've learned earlier for decoding dream symbols, themes, and patterns. Now that you know how to use dream incubation, let's talk about common mistakes people make that can lead to frustration so you can avoid them and stay on track. People often get discouraged with dream incubation when they don't see immediate results, but it can take time and practice to work effectively. Another mistake is not sticking with the practice regularly, which can also cause frustration. Dream incubation works best when it's done consistently over time. Finally, people often expect clear and obvious answers in their dreams, but sometimes the messages are subtle and require careful reflection to understand. Overlooking these subtle signs can lead to disappointment, so patience and persistence are key. Remember, working with your dreams is a skill that improves with practice, much like learning a new language, the language of your unconscious mind. The more you engage with your dreams, the more fluent you'll become in understanding their deeper messages. But to really understand your dreams, you need to sharpen your intuition. By strengthening your intuition, you'll be better at decoding the symbols and messages in your dreams, allowing you to connect with the wisdom they offer. To learn how to amplify your intuition, check out our video, 3 Secrets to Supercharge Your Intuition and Transform Your Life. It's a vital skill to help you master dream interpretation.